Are you wondering how to change your Twitter password? Well, do not worry guys, this is what I'll be showing you in this tutorial. My name is David from Litex and let's get it started. You will have either to open your Twitter app or X as it's named now, and let's go from the beginning. This should be the newsfeed page that when you will open up the app, and I will tap on my profile picture, then settings and privacy, and now click on the first setting that you have, which is your account. And here you can locate change your password, and I will have to type your current password here, then the new password twice, then you can change your password. If you don't remember your password, you will have to click on forgot password, and this will take straight to twitter.com. Either if you don't have the Twitter app, just open internet browser like Google Chrome, Safari or DuckDuckGo, and you will have to go to twitter.com. I will hold this and open in the new tab, and let's accept or reject the cookies. And here you can find already have an account, press on sign in, and if you forgot your password, you can also click forgot password here. So this is how to change your password on Twitter or X as it's named now. I really hope I was being helpful with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave a comment in the comment section, like a question if you have any. Please have a wonderful day.